search type motion has been added to SecureIQ version 3002. Perform a motion search to detect motion in a region of interest. To perform a motion search, navigate to Monitoring, Video Monitoring, and click the Video Search button. Enter a camera name and select a camera from the returned list. From the search type drop-down, select Motion Detection. Select a time range and using the calendar icon, select Start Date and Time. Using the area selection tools, draw a region of interest or select a predefined alarm rule previously configured on the VideoEdge MVR. Under Advanced Options, select a direction, amount of motion, and duration. Once all parameters are selected and the search button is clicked, the device search results will populate. From here, users can view and export the footage.